I look kind of crazy because my eye keeps watering and it just refuses to stop, and every time I fix it, it just goes right back to this situation. So I'm just about to leave it because I'm just trying to do this video and be done and go get ready for work. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. If you are, I'd love it if you'd subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so you never miss any video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a demo and review of the new African Pride Moisture Miracle Curl and Define, I'm lying, it's Hydrate and Hold Curl Defining Gel, and it has aloe and coconut water as the two standout ingredients. And this is 18 ounces of product, which is huge. So if you guys want to see how this product performed on my hair, as well as hear my thoughts and all that good stuff, please keep on watching this video. So for this product, it says that it shapes, adds definition and shine to your natural coils and curls without alcohol or flaking. And like I said, this has 18 ounces and I paid $5.99 for it at my local beauty supply store. I know that this product is being advertised as, you know, sold in Walgreens, which maybe if you're lucky you can pick it up in your local Walgreens. The one right by me didn't have it, and I just didn't feel like going out the way to go get it, but the beauty supply store had it finally, because this product was in Walgreens like the beginning of this year, low key, but you know, you had to search to find it. So it says this weightless moisturizing and alcohol-free blend uses the natural benefits of aloe and coconut water to define and shape your coils without flaking, leaving your hair hydrated, frizz-free with long-lasting hold and shine. So for the first couple ingredients in the product, there is water, glycerin, polysorbate 20, PVP, coconut, aloe leaf juice, olive fruit oil, biotin, and coconut fruit juice, etc, etc. And this product, for the directions, it says that you're supposed to apply a small amount sections of clean wet hair, smooth into your hair in a downward motion, and follow immediately with a styling brush or comb to define each section. Scrunch your coils and curls as needed. Allow it to air dry or sit under a hooded dryer. I applied it in a downward motion because I was smoothing the product through my hair. I did not follow up with a brush or a comb, and I did not scrunch, and yeah. So for my leave-in, I did apply the Alikay lemongrass leave-in in the shower, and I'll go ahead and roll that b-roll so you guys can see. I just sprayed it in. Sometimes I do take the top off and just pour it in my hands, but for this wash day, I just went ahead, spread it in my hair while I was in the shower, put a shower cap on, and then I stepped out and went ahead and styled my hair with the gel. So I did work in small sections, but not super small, honestly. Like for the back section of my hair, I did 4 sections, so that should kind of give you guys an idea of the size. And I just smoothed the product in, like I said, and I took a generous amount of this product. Now I have seen one review on the gel before by Denise. If you guys haven't seen it, I'll link it down below so you guys can check it out. And she did mention that the product had like an oily residue, which I was kind of skeptical about, but at the same time she did mention that it could have been the leave-in that she paired it with. I think it was like a hair milk that they released as well. So I knew I wasn't using like a heavy leave-in under it, so I was like, all right, if I take a generous amount, I should be fine. I also wanted, you know, a lot of hold on my hair, and I wanted this wash and go to last like 4 or 5 days basically. So I was going in with a decent sized amount of the product, smooth it in. I would separate some pieces, but not for real, because I knew I'd separate it when it was dry anyway. So yeah, I'll let you guys go ahead, watch me do this wash and go, and then we'll come back in the end and we'll talk about my results. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like this morning. This is the next day, so you could call this day 1 or day 2 depending on how you know, like to go about your days, because I did do this wash and go closer to the end of yesterday, so I didn't really wear it out for real. So today would technically be day 1 if you wanna. I showed you guys what it looked like before I kind of picked it and just put some hair ties, like the satin hair ties, in my hair. I did not really stretch it too much. I considered stretching it with a blow dryer just to kind of give me a little bit more movement, because I do have crunch on my hair and there is a gel cast and everything, and my roots are kind of laying a little flat, so I don't have a lot of volume, which I tend to like, but I'm kind of hoping this wash and go will hold up, like I said. So I decided to opt out of stretching with a blow dryer, and I'm just gonna wear it like this and just let it get bigger and, you know, more fluffier over time. I think the definition looks great. Like I said, there is some crunch on my hair, there is a gel cast and everything, and I think the curl definition is good as well. I feel like if you apply less product you would get less of a hold. The crunch, I don't think there's too much of a crunch towards the back of my hair, but I feel like that's usually the case for most, if not every styler I use, just because, I don't know, for some reason the back of my hair doesn't tend to hold a crunch. Now it'll hold the style, but it's usually not crunchy, but right in here I can feel it on my hair basically. So there's that. I definitely think it's gonna last like I wanted it to, and I have a lot of shine, which could be from the leave-in or just the gel in general. I don't have that oily residue, so in her video she mentioned it might have been the hair milk, and I will say that might be true because I don't have, you know, any oil or greasiness to my hair, and I purposely did not apply oil to scrunch my hair because I wasn't trying to risk it. But yeah, no extra oils or anything on my hands. I am gonna update you guys in the comment section or in the description box and let you know how the wash and go progressed, because if it is greasy, that's a no for me. But overall I like my hair, and for the price of the gel and the amount that you get, I think it's a good buy. So yeah, I like it, and I feel like you can tailor it to get the hold and the definition that you want. I feel like the consistency of the gel, it's thick but it's not too thick. You can shingle, rake, smooth, whatever you may need to do with the gel to get the result that you're going for. So this is how much of the gel I have left in the container. I'm trying not to tilt it so you guys can actually see, but basically it's like right here. So I feel like I used a decent amount, but honestly it still barely looks like I made a dent because it's so much product. So I think it's pretty good. I have no complaints. I do love the cream from this line as well, so I'm happy that I like the gel. So I feel like you can pair them together if you'd like to, but you really don't have to, because that cream gives shine, definition, hold, moisture, all of that stuff. And I also think you could probably use this gel on its own. I just did the leave-in for, like, you know, just an extra step to see, but the gel definitely feels moisturizing and I like that. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below. Let me know if you've tried this gel, what you paired it with, or if you used it by itself, or if you're about to go pick it up. But yeah, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.